The great Dalai Lama IV said, just as ripples spread out when a single pebble is dropped into water, the actions of individuals can have far-reaching effects. These effects are collectively known as the butterfly effect. Now, what exactly is the butterfly effect? What role do we play in the butterfly effect? And how does this role that we play affect the world around us? Well, according to the chaos theory, the butterfly effect states that every action or a choice that a man makes has effects which can change the existences of multiple people. Now, according to this definition, every decision we make, whether the size of a sesame seed or that of a mountain, has consequences beyond that which we can even see. Now, here's a short film by Yu Otsuka describing the butterfly effect. Now, thank you to Yu Otsuka for that short film that kind of gives us a broad definition of what the butterfly effect in the real life looks like. Here's a diagram which defines the butterfly effect. I like to look at this diagram as changes in. So changes in values can lead to changes in culture, which can lead to changes in actions, which can finally lead to changes in reputation. Basically, what this diagram is saying is that all these changes are connected. So now one may ask, is how do our personal roles come into the butterfly effect? Now again, the butterfly effect states that our choices are very significant. It states that our choices are significant because these choices have consequences which may change the state of the universe. Since these choices have the ability to change the state of the universe, we must learn how to weigh them out. One may ask, how exactly can I change my personal role in the universe? We can change this by learning to live for others, being more altruistic, being more selfless, spreading positivity, being more accepting, even giving charity. These are all ways in which we can change our personal role in the butterfly effect, which can lead to greater consequences in the universe. Now again, going back to Dalai Lama IV, he believes that our personal role in the butterfly effect is in educating the hearts of children. Dalai Lama IV believes that by educating the hearts of children, we can change the length of the survival of humanity. We can increase the happiness and length of people's lives and go for longer and happier lifestyles. Now one may ask, how do our choices have effects and consequences in the outside world? So our choices have the ability to reach unimaginable places. We all have the option to change the state of the universe, whether it's in a good way or a bad way. So how do these choices have the ability to make consequences? Well, a couple examples will be making others confident, making others happier, spreading this type of happiness, and making the world a better and bigger place for the people around us. John Mark Green kind of gives an example of this in his quote. So John Mark Green said, both cruelty and kindness can have effects which can ripple on for years. Consider carefully what you set into motion. Consider carefully what you set into motion kind of explains how all our choices have effects on the outside world. So now, looking back at our diagram of the butterfly effect, I like to put our own personal values and show how our changes in values can have changes in outside culture, which can lead to changes in our own and outside actions, which can finally lead to changes in our own and outside reputation. So changes in our own personal values can have far-reaching effects in society. I'd like to leave you with this. Since our choices have ability to change the rest of the universe, we should decide to choose love over fear. We should decide to do good over bad, and finally, choose kindness over hatred. We can change the universe one step at a time, and the butterfly effect really gives us the ability to do this. Some more sources. Thank you.